Neck brand Distal Femoral Safety Lock Plate. Our distal femoral plate is anatomically pre-contoured, low profile. It is based on locking compression system. The shaft portion of the plate features combination holes and the head features threaded holes. Round locking holes in the head except 5 mm locking screws, while combination holes use 4.5 mm Cortex screws, 5 mm locking screws, or a combination of both. The angular stability prevents screw loosening as well as primary and secondary loss of reduction. Its tapered, rounded plate tip facilitates a minimally invasive surgical technique. This plate is indicated for the stabilization of fractures of the distal femur, which include distal shaft fractures, supracondylar fractures, intra-articular fractures, and periprosthetic fractures. The plate is available in left and right versions in stainless steel 316L and titanium medical grade. Narang Medical follows international quality standards to offer the best quality products. While manufacturing, every minor technicality is taken into consideration, and high technology machines are used for better production and faster deliveries. For more information, please visit our website www.ortho.in.